In a village nestled between rolling hills and a whispering forest lived a young boy named Leo. Leo wasn't like the other children who found joy in games and simple chores. His heart was a vast ocean of dreams, each wave a grand ambition. He dreamt of building towering castles, painting masterpieces that could capture the soul of a sunset, and composing melodies that would make the stars weep. But with every sunrise, his dreams felt further away, like distant islands he could see but never reach. He was overwhelmed, lost in the sheer scale of his own aspirations. One day, feeling the weight of his unfulfilled dreams, Leo wandered into the forest. He walked until he found a clearing where an old monk sat beneath a giant willow tree, his eyes closed in meditation. This was Master Kale, a man known throughout the village for his quiet wisdom. Gathering his courage, Leo approached. "Master," he began, his voice trembling slightly, "I am drowning in my dreams. I want to achieve so much, but I don't know where to start. Each day ends, and I feel I've done nothing." Master Kale opened his eyes, which held the calm depth of a still lake. He smiled gently and gestured for Leo to sit. He didn't offer a grand speech or a complex philosophy. Instead, he pointed to a small, intricate grandfather clock standing beside his humble hut. "Leo," he said softly, "look at this clock. What does it do?" Leo, puzzled, replied, "It tells the time, Master. It ticks second by second." "Exactly," Master Kale affirmed. "It doesn't try to tick all the seconds of the day at once, does it? It doesn't fret about the hours it has yet to chime or the minutes that have already passed. It simply embraces the present moment, offering one steady tick at a time. And by doing just that, one tick after another, it gracefully moves through the entire day, every day, without fail." Leo looked from the clock back to the monk, a glimmer of understanding in his eyes. Master Kale continued, "Your dreams are your day. Your small daily actions are the ticks of the clock. Don't try to build the entire castle in one morning. Just lay one stone. Don't try to paint the whole masterpiece today. Just mix one color, make one brush stroke. Don't compose the full symphony. Just find one perfect note." He explained that the secret to achieving great things isn't a burst of frantic energy, but the quiet, consistent rhythm of focused effort. "The sun doesn't leap across the sky," he said. "It rises steadily, moment by moment. A river doesn't carve a canyon overnight. It flows persistently, drop by drop, over centuries. Your journey is the same. Embrace the power of one tick. Do one small, meaningful thing towards your dream each day. That single tick, repeated with patience and love, will build your castles, paint your sunsets, and compose your symphonies." From that day on, Leo's approach changed. Each morning, he wouldn't look at the mountain of his ambitions and despair. Instead, he'd ask himself, "What is my one tick for today?" Some days it was sketching a single hand. Other days it was learning a new chord or reading a single page about architecture. The tasks were small, manageable, but they were consistent. Slowly, steadily, his sketchbook filled, melodies began to form, and his knowledge grew. The overwhelming weight was replaced by a quiet joy of daily progress. The ticks were adding up, and the clock of his life was moving forward beautifully and purposefully. Leo learned that the grandest dreams are not conquered. They are lived, one precious tick at a time. I hope this little story brought a moment of peace and perspective to your day. If it resonated with you, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more stories that warm the heart and inspire the mind. Thank you for watching, and remember to cherish your one tick today.